Here we have a nice OEEA 6-spot watch winder. Room for six watches. It's a real nice cherry piano finish wood. It's brand new. Let me open it up here. There's a spot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 watches on the bottom for storage. And it turns counterclockwise, altering, or counterclockwise. Or you can alter it and go back and forth. But it has a nice velvet finish. When the case is closed, super quiet operation. It's a really nice product. Let me turn it off and turn it around here. It's for sale on ebid.net. You can see the price on ebid.net, ebid.net. And we have over 9,800 positive feedback. Top rated power seller on eBay. Getting close to 9,000 feedback. And you could turn off each individual motor, you know. You could just have one running, or, you know, all three. The switches are in the back for the turntables. So it's a real glossy finish on the wood. It's brand new. Doesn't include the retail box, but it does include the directions and the power supply. We have a lot of these, so make sure you check out our other listings. Thank you for looking. Bye-bye.